Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to my podcast Sangrila with Ila Anand Acharya. Thank you so much for listening to my podcast. I am grateful to all those who are regularly listening and appreciating me. Thank you so much. Today's topic is nurturing your relationships. Yes, nowadays it is very much important to take out some time from your busy schedule for your loved ones. Uh, we can say that due to coronavirus or due to lockdown, we have uh, got some time to spend with our family. When we were locked in a single room or we were locked in a single flat in a single house, all those who were together, father, mother, husband, wife, kids, they have realized that what were they missing, in their busy schedule. They were just uh, planning out to take some time out, but they will not be able to do that. But that lockdown has given so ample amount of time to know each other, to understand each other, and to love each other. So we have to continue that. Taking some out for our time out for our loved ones is very much important because it it helps us to uh, it helps us to make our life happy, healthy, and it also changes our moods. Sometimes what happens, we have this bad day at our job or at our office, and we call our father or mother and we talk to them, not about exactly about the problem, but we try to just casually talk to them, and just talking to them, just hearing their voice, just listening to them makes our time so easy. It makes our problem so easy. Similarly, we can do that with our friends also, and even the husband wife. Nowadays, both the husband and wife are, they are working, and it is very much difficult to take time out for each other. So, not only on Sunday, but throughout the entire day, at least when you are taking breakfast early in the morning, you should sit together, just have a 5-minute chat, that what is your plan, how the day is, how you are have planned your day, what is special today. And then at the end, if you are able to share your dinner also together, and then during that time also you can talk about how was your day, what was how you have worked, and all that little talks also make such a big difference to your life and to your health. And if you have just 5 minutes now, then you just keep in touch with the person who is long distance away from you, like your relatives, or sometimes your parents if you are living away from your parents. And sometimes even due to some condition, husband wife has to stay away, then also if you have 5 minutes, just send a WhatsApp message, just send an email that how are they, what are they doing, and all that kind of thing, little talk. And if you have 10 minutes, just call them, please. Just keeping in touch, SMS, WhatsApp, and email, nowadays for Facebook, and there are so many Insta and all that. You have to take some time out for your loved ones. So if you have 10 minutes, just call and just hear their voice. And if they have 30 minutes, if you have 30 minutes, then please visit your relative. If it is possible, visit your parents. And these all little things are really very much important. And same with your kids. So if you are having a busy schedule, but you have to spare at least 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes with your kids, sit with them, ask them how is their studies going on, and what all, if they have any problem, what is their problem, if they require anything, if they are going having some problem, certain kind of, or how about their friend circle. You just ask that little things. And if the kids are small, then have a habit of telling a story. You know, it is really a very good way to have a communication. that I do personally. Me and my husband make sure that we at least tell one story to my kid, and he loves it, and he feels it that yes, mama and dad is giving me some time. So please do that. And if your kids are big enough, then just sit with them to watch a movie or to watch a song, but just be with them for 5 minutes, hold their hand, and just love them. And I think more important is to know that yes, you are available for them when they require you. So make sure that you spend some time with your dear ones. So that's enough for today's episode. Thank you so much, and keep listening to my podcast.